In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mailerlite for email marketing in 2025, step by step. We'll start right from the Mailerlite dashboard. Once you log in, the first thing you want to do is make sure your account is fully set up. Complete your account information and, just as importantly, verify or authenticate your sending domain before you send any campaigns. This is a crucial step because it helps improve deliverability and builds trust with inbox providers. Next, head over to the subscribers section. This is where you'll add the people you want to email. You can enter subscribers manually or import an existing list if you already have one. As you do this, make sure your list follows the consent rules that apply to your email marketing. That part is essential for keeping your campaigns compliant and maintaining a healthy sender reputation. After that, go to subscribers, then groups. Groups help you organize your contacts in a practical way based on their interests or where they came from. For example, you might create groups for new leads, newsletter readers, or customers. Keeping your audience organized makes it much easier to send relevant emails to the right people. Now let's create your first campaign. Go to the Campaigns area and click Create Campaign. Choose the campaign type that fits your goal. For most beginners, a regular newsletter is the best place to start. This option is ideal for one-time emails or messages you want to schedule for later. Once your campaign is created, fill in the campaign details. Add your subject line, choose your sender name and sender email, and then select the subscriber group or groups that should receive the message. This step determines both how your email appears in the inbox and who actually gets it. From there, you'll design the email itself. Choose an editor, and if you use the drag and drop editor, you can build the email visually by adding text, images, buttons, sections, and other content blocks. Add your message, include any links you need, and make sure your call to action is clear. Before sending anything, preview and test your email carefully. Check how it looks on different screen sizes, review your links and images, and confirm the spelling, subject line, and sender information are all correct. It's also a good idea to send yourself a test email so you can experience it exactly as your subscribers will. When everything looks good, send the campaign immediately or schedule it for later. Mailerlite also offers options like A/B testing and auto resend if you want to optimize performance. You can also set up automations by going to Automations and creating a new workflow. Choose a trigger, like when someone joins a group or completes a form, then add actions such as an email or a delay. Once the workflow is ready, activate it. Finally, monitor your results by opening the campaign report. Review key metrics like opens, clicks, and unsubscribes, and use that data to improve your future emails.